Hi children, good morning. Children, today we are discussing about, we are going to learn about some effect of current. Okay, already in the previous class we learnt about heating effect. Before that, lighting effect also we learnt. Lighting effect also. Today we are going to learn about new concept, that is magnetic effect. Magnetic effect of current. These are all effects due to the current only, no? Because when light is glowing means what is the cause? Because of electricity only. And heating effect also we learned because of electric iron and electric oven, because all are the devices worked on the what property? Heating effect of electric current. Okay. Now how magnetic nature is produced in the wire, current carrying wire, that is the concept today we are going to learn. Okay, no? Yes, for that one, first we have to take one bar magnet. Okay, no? Bar magnet, you know very well, if you bring a safety pin towards the magnet, what will happen? It will attract. Okay, no? Definitely the safety pin will attract. Okay. And if you bring a compass, if you bring a compass, okay, you know about compass, in the last year only you learnt compass. Okay, if you bring a compass towards the magnet, definitely this indicator, this indicator, this is what we call magnetic compass, will oscillate. Definitely oscillate, that what we call deflection. Deflection. Okay, what will happen if you bring a compass towards the magnet? Because this will act in this indicator also a magnetic material, because of that one this indicator will deflect. Okay, so this is the process occur in the magnet. Okay, now the same phenomena will take place in the current carrying wire also. Okay, for that one we have to consider two nails. Okay, for support, and we have to connect a copper wire. Okay, copper wire, the ends of the copper wire should be connected to a battery. As you know, it is positive terminal, it is negative terminal. Current passes from positive to negative terminal, current flow in this direction. Okay, if you take in the place of copper wire, this is what we call nichrome wire. It is a nichrome wire. If you take nichrome wire, because it gives more heating effect, no? And in the place of nichrome wire you can take copper wire also, no problem. So what will happen, we have to pass the current for 2 to 3 minutes. We have to current 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, then what will happen? In that case you will observe the heating effect. Before that one only we will observe magnetic effect. How it will work? Because how can we indicate the presence of magnetic nature means, what we have to do, we have to take this two, either one, no problem. Okay, either a safety pin or a compass we have to bring nearer to the copper wire. Definitely this safety pin will be attracted. Safety pin will be attracted. And if you bring the compass towards the current carrying wire, towards the current carrying wire, then the same deflections, the same deflections what you observe in this first case will be observed in the in this case also. So from this what I can say, we can conclude that a current carrying wire also a magnet. Okay, no? It gives magnetic effect anamata. This is what we call magnetic effect of electric current. This is possible only because of the source of electric energy. Is it or not? So this is what we call magnetic effect. So based on this magnetic effect, so many devices. Okay, no? For example, electric bell. Electric bell. Electric bell works on the magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, Nana? And one electric cranes also. Electric cranes. Here important thing is, here the magnetic nature will be permanent, but here it is temporary. Magnetic effect of electric current is temporary, because if you disconnect the battery, again the magnetic nature will be lost. Okay, Nanda? So this is permanent, but this is temporary. It is permanent, but electromagnet is what we call temporary nature anamata, because temporary. If you disconnect the battery, immediately the magnetism will be lost anamata. Okay, this is magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, children, tomorrow I will show you in by activity the same concept. Okay, now today you have to read the textbook.